Hey, my friend, my name is Alex Zubarev, your freedom fighter, your relentless freedom fighter. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make $100 a day with the power of Google with one simple trick. So on my channel, I talk about affiliate marketing. On my channel, I talk about multiple income streams, passive income, making money from home. So subscribe to my channel by clicking the button below right now and click on the bell notification so you don't miss any other videos from me. So let's get to the content. Pay attention and you're gonna be blown away how much money you can make with this strategy. And I'm actually gonna show you another strategy towards the end of the video where you can make as much as $1,000 a day with your laptop and the internet connection. So in order for you to make money online, I teach people how to do affiliate marketing, which is the simplest, the most easiest way to make money online for anybody. Doesn't matter where you live, doesn't matter how old you are, doesn't matter what your background is. My background, I was, had corporate job, and I decided that I don't want to live paycheck to paycheck anymore. I've been online for 10 years teaching people how to make money online, how to make passive income from home. So what it takes, guys, is very simple. You need the right traffic, targeted traffic, I should say, and you need to have the right offer. So when you combine those two, what comes out on the bottom is commissions, right? I'm a commission junkie. I'm coming to you live from Commission Kitchen, so you don't need a fancy office. You can work anywhere as long as you are serious and you really want to change your life, because my goal is to help just one family a day to escape the slavery of corporate America, if you will, and you can dictate your own paycheck. So let me see if I'm just using this tool, a new tool that I just came across that's really interesting, and it's really cool to use because it's easy to show you guys visually. Right, so the money comes down at the bottom, right? So if you combine the right traffic, if you marry those two, you find the right offer and the traffic, and you use simple Google search, you can make money as soon as today. So what you need to do is find the right offer, compelling offer, and the most niches that are available online. You can find a bigger niche or you can find a smaller niche. So it's a lot easier to make money with the bigger niche where people are hungry for products and they're already buying the products. So one network that I definitely recommend is ClickBank. You go to Marketplace, you find a product that I'll show you how to find the right product so you can make money with it so it converts. So the biggest niches are weight loss, dating, make money from home, so on and so forth. So let me show you guys. So this is the biggest marketplace in the world, has digital products. So you don't need to ship anything. You don't need to do drop shipping. You don't need to do customer support, which is very important. You just basically sell products to people that are already looking for the information that they want to buy. Just like think about Audible. People go on Audible, they download books, right? They don't have the actual book. They listen to the book with their iPhone or Samsung phone or whatever it is, right? Or an iPad. So basically, let me log in and show you results as well. I've been doing affiliate marketing for quite a long time. So I have multiple income streams. So ClickBank, for example, this is for 2018, $26,000. There's another income stream. I mean, I have a bunch of income streams. I can show you this one, for example, $36,000, $800. As you can see, my name is Alex Zubarev, and one of the top leaders in this affiliate program as well. There's another one I can show you guys, and I'll probably will give you guys something to. I'll give you guys a special bonus so you can actually plug into something that makes you a lot of money, like this one, $36,000, $200. But let me show you the simple strategy that you can implement right now. So let's go to ClickBank. Let's go to the marketplace. Let's find a product. So let's see, let's do dating, because dating is a huge niche, absolutely huge niche online. You can make a lot of money there as well, just like weight loss. So what you can do is, what I advise you to do is search for products by gravity or popularity or average sale. So for example, this is a texting product, right? This is to help women, like, I guess, get men, whatever, right? As you can see, top affiliates are earning over 100K a month, $100,000 a month, which is mind-blowing for most people. It was mind-blowing to me, but people actually making that kind of money online. So for each sale, you're gonna make $46.72, which is not too bad at all. So what you need to do is basically create the link, and I'll show you how easy it is. And if you want to check out the offer, obviously the offer is right here as a sales video that basically sells the actual product for you, so you don't need to sell it, right? So that's the actual product. Let me close this tab. So let's get a link for this product. I'm actually curious. Let me see if there are products that maybe pay even more than that. Let's see. $86 a sale. Rebuild total $71. Let's check out this product. Meet Your Suite. So it's for men and women. All right, so that's pretty cool. Might want to try maybe this product. So let's say we pick the product, all right? So you might want to test a couple of products, but this seems like it pays more. $86. So what you need to do once you sign up for ClickBank, it's very simple. It's free to sign up. You don't need to pay anything. So you sign up absolutely for free. Then you'll be able to log in and go to the marketplace just like I showed you. So when you pick this product, let's say we want to test this product, you're going to click on promote button, and this is my affiliate ID. It pays whopping 75% commission. So it's really cool. You can also add tracking. So we're going to use the strategy Google, right? So we can add Google, and I like to use dates. So I would add like tracking January 18, for example. So this is going to be your long, ugly link. You're going to copy and paste this link. This is the link you're going to give people to buy your product so you can make commissions. Okay, so you're going to copy this link and you're going to make a short link by using, you can use a Google shortener or like bit.ly shortener. So you can go to like bit.ly and create a short link. So you're going to copy and paste that long link, and you got this short link now, right? So copy that link. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Google and we're gonna search for related blogs in that niche. So I already did the search. I just searched for, what I did was I went to Google and I searched dating plus blogs. So what Google is gonna do is gonna give you top 10 results here, and there's actually a top 100 dating blogs and websites to follow for dating advice in 2019 and beyond. So you can go there and find tons and tons of blogs, where what we're gonna do is very simple. We're gonna go to a blog. So I found one already. So this is exactly what you would do. You would go to a blog, all right, and you would go to probably top posts. That's what I would do, where they get the most traffic. And like, for example, this blog post, you see tons of comments. So what I advise you to do, what we're gonna do, we're gonna place a link, but you don't want to just pitch, right? You don't want to just spam your link all over the place. What you want to do is take 5 minutes, read the article, what it's all about, right? And make a valuable contribution, if you will, valuable comment, and then you're gonna include the link. So I'm just gonna do it really quick because I want you guys to get started with the strategy. But what I would do after I read this, let's say I read this article, would take me about 10 minutes maybe, and you see very long replies. So really make a nice reply, but for the sake of saving time, I'm just gonna say, hey, I learned a lot from this awesome blog post. I would probably add 3-4 more lines to make it more valuable, but for the sake of saving time, I would say, by the way, I found a really cool, I don't want to say product, I would say really cool site that will help you with this topic. Whatever the topic is, you might want to reply to this. So it's like, if it's dating, maybe to attract more women or more men, depending who you are, right? So, and I would just put a link here, our bit.ly link, right? Which is this guy right here. I'm gonna copy that. And we're gonna go back to the blog post, post the link. Obviously you put your name and email address, so that way you can actually post the link. And looks like some of the blog posts you can click on this to make it clickable. So now it's this thing will be, your link will be clickable. As you can see, it's highlighted. Keep doing awesome work. Looking forward to more. So that's about it. So how long did it take me? 30 seconds, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna find maybe 10, 20 blog posts, 100 blog posts, depending on how much money you wanna make. The more, obviously, the better. Spend a couple of hours doing that, and you're gonna see your commissions in ClickBank. After people go through your link, some people will purchase the product. So it's really that simple, guys. But again, like I promised you, there are ways to make even more money with higher ticket products and multiple income streams, just like I showed you. I have many income streams. This one is like $36,800. This is just shows you that it's possible. I'm not here to blow my own horn, if you will, but this is how you make full-time income from home. All you need is obviously a laptop and internet connection and a dream, right? Why you want to do this? Like, you need to know your why you want to build business from home. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna place a link inside of the description below the video, guys, to my #1 recommended affiliate program that you can make a lot of money with right now in 2019, 2020 and beyond. And if you're looking to make a lot of money, up to $1,000 a day, even more, you know, we have days we made a lot more money than that, then I advise you to, as you can see, there's commissions, notifications here, $100 payment, $25 payment, whatever it is. So click the button inside of the description, because it's really will give you access to my personal trainings. Also, let me give you another tip. What you can do is you can go to Google Alerts and you can set up a search, just like we did a search on Google for dating blogs. You can do dating blog and create alert, and you can tell Google how often do you want to get notified if there are more blog posts. The best way to do it if you're one of the first people to comment on the blog posts. So this way you can set up an automated search, and Google's gonna do the search every single day and send you notification if there's more content related to your niche, to your topic, and that way you can go ahead and make those comments selling the affiliate products on those blog posts. So if you guys got value from this training, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you got questions, you feel free to ask me any questions in below the video. I promise to reply to you within 24 hours, hopefully, if I'm not on vacation or traveling the world. And subscribe to my channel so you don't get any more, you don't miss any more valuable videos. And if you got value, click the like, and I'll see you guys on the top on the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless, and make it a prosperous day.